I'm going to show you how to clear cache if you are using an established portfolio website. The reason you may want to clear a cache is that you may have made changes to your website through Studio here by publishing a creation or unpublishing a creation or a collection, or made any other kind of changes to your website, and you've noticed that on your website the changes have not been reflected. This is because of the cache. Basically, how this works is that the changes are sent from artmoi Studio to our WordPress server, but the server holds on to these changes and checks back at a later time to apply all of the changes at once instead of checking back constantly, which slows down your website. So this is of a benefit to you. However, you may want to see these changes right away if you are making lots of changes and want to see how it looks, or for any other reason, so you can clear your cache in that case. So how this, it's really easy. All you have to do is log into your Studio account, obviously, go to your portfolio website section, and select the WordPress login button. I've already done that, so it is up here. I'm going to exit out of the customization menu, and I'm going to find myself at the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to navigate to settings, go down to artmoi settings, and here you will see my caching options, clear artmoi caches. So all I need to do is select the clear caches button. It's going to give me a green check mark to tell me that the cache has been cleared and it's gone and grabbed that new data. And just to be sure, I can save my changes. And that's it. If you have any other questions or you're not quite sure or want more of a detailed explanation about why we would do this, you can send us an email at moi@artmoi.com, or you can send us a live chat message. Hope this helps.